Wave everybody, say hi guys. Welcome to my party. Hi. Hi Bear. How you doing? Oh, give your next friend a hug. Give that friend a hug right there, Nubian. Oh, yeah, that's gonna be, yeah, that's a drink. Is the drink? Would you like to drink some? You gonna give some to a friend? Oh, that's so nice, Nubian. You like the drink? Oh, is that good? Huh? I don't know what you're saying, but okay. Vegan cheese. Yeah, you gonna give your friend some cheese? Okay, he's eating cheese. Okay, cool. That's a cheese and cracker tray. Those are olives, black olives. You gonna give him a black olive? Uh-oh. Maybe you want to throw that one away. No? Okay, cool. Okay, you can give him some? Okay. He's eating? Okay. Alright. What are you gonna do next? That's a cracker. Cracker? Gonna give him a cracker? Okay. Gonna give him a cracker? Okay, cool. Here's your cracker. Yummy. Some cheese on his plate. You're doing a good job. Pick up the cheese. It's okay. It's okay. Pick up the cheese. Very good. Put the cheese on the plate. Alright. Good job. Olives? Very good. Pick up the olive. Those are crackers. Gonna pick up a cracker too. Put the cracker on the plate. You almost got it. Almost got it. It's okay. Go give it to your friend. You gonna give him a drink? Okay, good job. You say, hi friend. Here's your drink. Here's your food. Give it to him. You gonna give it to him? Yeah, he's gonna eat. Okay. Alright. Okay, are you gonna sit down now? Uh-oh, you dropped all your food. Your food yummy? Is it yummy? Is it yummy, Nubian? Olives. But you're not supposed to eat them for real. Take that out. Take that out. But don't eat it. It's just play, okay? It's not for real. Just pretend. Pretend. You want mommy to show you how to pretend? This is how you pretend. You go like this, and you go. But you don't put it in your mouth. You just pretend, okay? See mommy's plate? Okay. Thank you. You're trying to fix my plate. You're so sweet, Nubian. You are so sweet. Yes, I like a little cheese. Cheese, yes. Olives, yes. Olives, yes, please. Thank you. Okay. Oh, thank you, newbie. You're so yummy. Is it yummy, newbie? Oh, okay, we got it. Oh, nice, thank you. It's so yummy, newbie. I love it. I love your party. Cheers. Want cheers again? Cheers. Cheers. Dance, newbie. Dance, newbie. Go, girl. You got it. Go, Baba. Say hi to the other. Say hi, guys. You and me. Is it good? Delicious. Are you going to share with your friends? Are you going to give all of them a cookie? Give them a cookie. Get a cookie for your friends. Yummy. I don't think he wants to take his carrot out of his mouth. He likes carrots. Give him a brownie. Get a brownie. Give your friend a brownie. Not all the brownies. Just pick up a brownie. Give your friend a brownie. You gonna take the whole... Oh, you dropped the pinwheels too? Oh my goodness. It's okay. Missing something? What's missing? What you forget? Oh, more cookies. Okay. More cookies. Okay. Okay, more cookies. Oh, wow, guys. Y'all are really having a good time. I mean, you're eating like all the brownies and all the cookies all at one time. Wow. Not sharing with anybody else. They must be 2 years old. Oh, those are pinwheels. Pinwheels? This guy right here is eating a lot. We're not inviting him back next year, Newbie. He eats a whole lot. That's a lot of food. He's not coming back to the holiday party next year. Sorry, mouse. And to be such a small animal, you're really eating a lot. You guys want to learn how to play bingo? Oh, help him up, Nubian. Gonna show him how to play bingo. Okay, let's play bingo, guys. Holiday bingo. Anyone? Your one friend is ready. He's ready. It's your other friend. He keeps falling out. I don't know. Maybe he overate or something.
Watch me, can you do it? Now watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me, okay, watch me, watch me, let me see you do that. You got a brand new dance. They say it's what you can stay on the floor. We got a brand new dance. Walking getting that. It don't matter where you're from or where's your home. Here we go. We can show you how it goes. To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right, to the left, to the left, to the left, to the left. Now kick, down, down, shake it, shake it. Let me see you do the down, down, shake it, shake it. Got a brand new down, shake it, shake it. Come on, down, down, shake it, shake it. Till the kids pop down there with that. You ain't forever in a minute. That's not my thing. Jenny says he got love within him. He got me feeling like ooh. I know it when I'm in it. I loved him when I left him. Now I feel like ooh. And then I had to tell him I had to go.
Look at the beautiful face. Beautiful.
Pizza.